Hi everyone, this is JHC Business and Technology Insights, where we share some of market information that we think can be valuable for our partners, as well as bring to light case studies our project team has done globally. Today, we'd like to focus on embedded computing for smart city applications. The topic is a bit broad, as these days every city application is being called smart. At the same time, I'm sure you'll agree with us that real smart city is not as easy to implement as many claim, and that this is not just about the software, hardware, or even about particular application. Just to make sure we're all on the same page, our approach to smart cities and applications comply with the basic framework like you see on the screen. This one in particular is in relation to Shenzhen city structure, which allows government and private institutions to be clear on which section they're targeting at a particular time. In most cases, cities start with upgrades of its sensorial aspect, upgrading sensors, detectors, setting up necessary telecommunication infrastructure and network to consolidate all the data from sensors to a unified and standardized storage centers. Knowledge is power. That's why first things is always about gathering the information. Whether it's Shenzhen or London or Mexico City, majority of current projects are being done within the second layer of the structure. This is where the data is actually being structured and consolidated into more efficient databases, showing the government and public how useful that data can be for various of services. I would say that this is the layer which is the mostly managed by the government and also has the most funding due to complexity, security concerns, and database size requirements. And eventually we moved to public application layer, which allows API access by system integration and software firms to utilize available data and come up with innovative solutions for further city progress and development. In a more detailed outline, we can see how complex is the effort to make the city smart, even if we don't get too deep into various of potential services and applications that eventually can be built in IoT-ready cities. To get to that level requires enormous work from the government itself, figuring out overall vision, network security, regulation, law modifications, public privacy regulations, financial risks and new business models for public-private partnerships, technological infrastructure topology and long-term scalability, feasibility studies, etc. This is likely why majority of current projects that are being done within smart city ecosystem are still within certain applications which are the most critical for city operations. And those areas are still transportation, utilities, and governance. Efficient transport, fast government services, and reliable utilities is the must-have for any region, hence takes the biggest chunk of funding as well. In practice, if looking at the actual project breakdown, we can see that mobility tops the chart. At the same time, there is a strong trend for applications related to improving security and city utilities. Of course, these are different for developed and emerging regions, as well as affected by certain cultural and political differences. It is exciting to speak about autonomous driving, on-demand healthcare apps, zero latency financial and government services. At the same time, we have to realize that the road to a smart city in a very basic terms has two major steps: digitalization and automation. Building advanced and low power consumption sensors, reliable databases, efficient network and standardized data processing. Only then we can start talking about automation of city processes, further optimization that can eventually lead to self-reliant AI algorithms. And in both cases, industrial-grade embedded computing is the bread and butter, equipment that supports all the necessary control, computing, and connectivity functions required for smart city applications. The amount of data that is being generated daily is enormous, but the amount of data that we are able to analyze in real time is growing rapidly as well. JHCTECH engineers are in direct collaboration with Intel, NVIDIA, and many other technology partners, making sure clients get access to the most innovative processing solutions. Sometimes it might seem unnecessary to move to edge or real-time AI support, especially for traditional industries, until you can see how much continuous image processing boosts your efficiency and provide you with even bigger competitive advantage. Like on this video, this is an assessment of the frames coming from a high-definition camera installed for monitoring parts made by a casting machine. You can clearly see how much data is being collected with the edge versus data sent to the cloud. That's incredible. And I'm sure you can see the advantage that this can bring to your applications and to your industry. If you see the benefit in real-time image processing for large-scale applications, you'll be excited to see what an amazing applications you can develop with all that data by using NVIDIA Metropolis application framework, a set of developer tools and partner ecosystem that brings visual data and AI together to improve operational efficiency and safety across a broad range of industries. And next, we'll have Gary presenting solutions related to smart city transportation, which we believe has still a great number of opportunities and potential innovations. Gary is working closely with global technology partners and has direct access to new tech products that might be interesting for you, such as the LiDARs, AGV robots, high-precision image sensors, and others. Feel free to send him a message to request more information on any of those products.
Hello everyone, I'm Gary. Today I will mainly introduce JHCTECH solution and application. There are many aspects to the applications. The first is ITS solution and application. The ITS means Intelligent Transportation System. The ITS system including rail transit system and highway toll system. And then I will introduce some solutions about smart traffic security. It includes law enforcement system and smart AI. The first is the automated fare collection system. It is an automation system based on computer, communication, network, automatic control, and other technologies to realize the whole process of ticket sales, ticket checking, billing, charging, and clearing and management. It is widely used in urban subways and light rails. In the field of public tours, such as intercity railways, in recent years, a new generation of AFC solutions and diverse payment have been successfully used in major urban rail transit projects. For example, this is our Commander 2702 used for AFC system. So, why can we JHCTECH do this project? Let's see what our advantages are. Because our products are industrial computer and many adopt fanless design. Compared to commercial computer, they are industrial level and more stable and can work 7 and 24 hours uninterrupted duty, so they are extremely rugged and can adaptable to extra harsh conditions. JHCTECH product adopt aluminum alloy and stainless steel reinforced structure, so it has good dissipation. It can also compatible with various cabinet size. Motherboard and subcard have rich I/O functions, suitable for different field applications requirements. This page is Commander 2702 specifications. It is equipped with Cera J1900 CPU, wide power input from 9 to 36 voltage. It has 10 COM at most, so it's very perfect for subway gates. In recent years, rail transit has developed rapidly, with the rail transit lines increased and continuous growth in passenger flow. JHCTECH keeps up with development trend of the country, realize the safety, convenience, and reliability of rail transit, and fully contributes to the construction of smart rail transit. The Sigma series of product is a professional application solution launched by JHCTECH as a professional application solution in the field of rail transit, covering CCTV, the closed circuit television monitoring system, DMI, assisted driving system, PIS, passenger information system, MES, multiple media and entertainment system, onboard diagnosis and monitoring, roadside spatial energy, vehicle mounting system, and so on. The first, Sigma 2650, connected to switch by LAN or Wi-Fi, send data to database server, and then it will play video or picture. PIS, it means Passenger Information System, a service system that provides passenger with various types of information in the train. Under normal circumstances, the passenger information system provides real-time dynamic multiple media information such as travel instructions and train schedules. The onboard PIS system can also provide audio broadcasting platform, video program broadcasting platform, emergency alarm, warning, and so on. The JHCTECH Sigma 2650 products used as play control system for harbing metro, access to the station information center through the vehicle switch and wireless private network, and then the information center transmits the video image signal to the vehicle end. The Sigma 2650 will integrate the video files and the local arrival information and place them according to the established requirements. There are two Sigma 2650 installed at both ends of each subway train. One is working normally, another one will be redundant for each other. The Sigma 2650 equipped with Skylake-U or Kaby-Lake-U processor. The wide power input M12 interface and EN50155 certificate used for railway. The intelligent monitoring and diagnosis system analysis of the hardware equipment of the whole vehicle replace manual inspection, reduce labor cost, more precise and more intelligent. All the data are uploaded to the ground central control room in real time, so as to ensure that the abnormal hardware equipment can be quickly stopped. The Sigma 3250 product used as the track health monitoring and the inspection detector for the maglev train inspection project. The Sigma 3250 collects the information and analyzes the results by the acquisition module, then communicate with the management center through a 4G router. Sigma series has finance boxes, send the collected data and analyze it to the management center to realize the monitoring of the train hardware system. And the next is the ETC system, the electronic toll system in Expressway. We already have a full solution in Expressway. Because of cancel a professional toll station, ETC has become more and more smart and important in the future. This is an ETC application used in Expressway with sensors and cameras and industrial computer. Our products mainly adopt fanless design. Compared to the commercial computer, they are industrial level products and more stable. They are extremely rugged and they can adaptable to actual harsh conditions. JHCTECH product adopt aluminum alloy, so it has good heat dissipation. The different products designed with different compact size, so it can compatible with various cabinet. Our motherboard and subcard are PCB to PCB modulation design, very convenient for maintenance or assemble and disassemble. Motherboard and subcard have rich I/O functions. It's very suitable for different field applications requirements. And some of our products have excellent anti-shock performance. So it's very suitable for in-vehicle applications such as railway transportation project or highway transportation. The first is IoT computer 3921. The IP camera connect to lamp port. DIO control the gate and the signal lamp. RSU and charge indicator connect to COM. The car's weight and charges information shown in display board. JHC computer connects to external data collection devices through LAN to obtain the data sources. This data processing to upload to implement, providing reliable and real-time information. For example, here is a toll station, and our commander 3921 used for electronic toll collection. It can improve efficiency and save labor cost, obviously. The commander 3921 equipped with Skylake S or Kaby-Lake S processor. Multiple I/O interface and expansion for PCI or PCIe, 1 mSATA, and 2.5-inch SATA bay, 1 mini PCIe support Wi-Fi and 4G. We have plenty of these models used in our country highway. From 2020 to 2025, there were nearly 200,000 kilometers of expressways in China used to be upgraded to a new toll collection system in the next 5 years. Since cancel of provincial toll stations in 2019, ETC has become the main method of expressway toll collection. Now, the past solution is lack of vehicle identification and information acquisition technology. So, how to solve these problems? We developed a solution model. The detector on the IoT computer can scan the car's front, body, and rear information, such as the license plate recognition, license plate matching, and vehicle identification. This solution is a combination of hardware and software. First is hardware system. It's our Commander 2620, equipped with Intel Atom processor and Intel OpenWindow technology. The accelerator card can calculate data quickly. The IP camera connects to the box to scan the car information. And the software is our partner, provide algorithm to collect vehicle information and show messages or videos on the screen clearly. So it can reduce labor cost apparently. This is an overall structure of the whole application. You can see here, it's our JHCTECH computer commander 2620. It will play an important role to scan car information on the road. And other parts are cameras and or servers. The next picture are the real applications team. Our products are installed on all kinds of the important highways. Commander 2620 is Upper Lake processor. It's a very small and compact size, so it can be installed flexibility. And the next page is another application. It's also very important. It's called smart traffic security. As smart cities involved in urban areas around the world, smart security can play a powerful role in improving quality of life and safety of our societies. Technologies such as mobile enforcement system, facial recognition, and license plate reading are becoming more widely used to help ensure the public safety. First, its mobile enforcement system. It's based on HD videos, deployed such as technology as a state-of-art photo acknowledged image. The image processing, network communication, computers, 3D model dynamic for video detection to automatically detect and record vehicle passing through the detection areas without interruption. Our Commander 3620 and touch monitor used for intelligent HD automated traffic law enforcement system. It mainly consists of a transportation management platform and a place processing platform. The Commander 3602 equipped with 4 PoE LAN ports, so it can be connected to HD camera to realize multi-direction and real-time capture. Why it called mobile enforcement system? It can install 4G GPS. I use the auto to upload and achieve the on-road data to real-time communication with center platform. As you can see, this solution uses our Commander 3602 and the industrial display monitor installed in the backseat. This picture is a real application scene. The system manually takes a picture of illegal performance automatically. Because of the mobility, flexibility, and adaptability of the computer, it is widely used on highways or police cars. The Commander 3602 also equipped with the Skylake S or Kaby-Lake S processor, 4 PoE LAN ports, 16-bit isolation DIO, and it also can support NVIDIA GPU such as 1060 and 1070. It's designed with anti-vibration bracket, so it's very suitable for vehicles or robots. It's another smart security application, the gateway access for video surveillance. For example, the command 2602 can support all technical requirements. Generally speaking, it's a video protocols converter, which realizes network interconnection above the network layer. It is the most complex network interconnection device, and it is only used for the interconnection of two networks with different high-level protocols. The gateway can be used for both wide area network interconnection and local real network interconnection. A gateway is a computer system or device that serves as an important task for conversion, used in different video stream protocols or even between two systems with completely different architectures. The gateway is a translator. The system consists of cameras, switches, private network, monitoring center, and the most important device is the command 2602. The processor is the J1900. It is also very small and compact size. And the next is the facial recognition capture system. This system has been widely used all over the world. It manages through the network digital camera and the face recognition capture system to realize the capture and display of the face recognition at the entrance and exit of the community or other areas. The captured face pictures are associated with the video recording so that the video can be played back when recurring face capture records. This is an application. It mainly consists of display monitor with touchscreen, the car reader, and JHCTECH Industrial Computer Bravo 7302. Now we have already Bravo series. It can support MX and NVIDIA GPU such as 1060, 1070, or MX and AI accelerated card. Our customers are very interested in this solution because of the powerful GPU will help to process and analyze big data from AI software or deep learning algorithm. It also can support 4G and Wi-Fi. Bravo 7302 is a high-performance GPU and compared with servers. This solution has low power for consumption and compact size, which is suitable for more flexible and narrow installation environments. Today, the last application is to share the intelligent parking system. It required compact size product and have rich I/O interface, support flexible installation. Our Aladdin series can meet these needs. Also, you can choose the Commander series computer and Aladdin monitor work together as a whole solution. It mainly uses DIO for the barrier control. Look at the picture. This is an Aladdin touch monitor. It can show parking information such as parking time or parking fee. Okay, that's all for my introduction of some of our solutions and applications. Thank you, everyone.